So let's start. Let us take it up ahead. We will start first with the cohort therapy. Exactly what cohort therapy is. Cohort therapy exactly क्या है उसके बारे में पहले आपको ब्रीफ करूंगी. किस लेवल पे हम लेके जाते हैं, क्या करते हैं, ताकि आप लोगों को एक आइडिया आ जाएगा कि हम कैसे पेशेंट को ट्रीट करते हैं, किस हिसाब से ट्रीट करते हैं, और वो आपके लिए इजी हो जाएगा. क्योंकि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि यहाँ पे जो लोग जुड़े हैं कि वो फार्मा फील्ड से हो. दे कैन बी फ्रॉम एनी फील्ड. खाली आपको एक लेमन लैंग्वेज अंडरस्टैंडिंग डिजीज की होनी चाहिए, समझनी चाहिए, ताकि आप उनको उस बेसिस में ट्रीट कर सकते हो. अभी जैसे कोहर है, कोहर का कोई मीनिंग नहीं है. कोहर इज अ सरनेम जो प्रदीप सर के वहां से लिया गया है. हिज नेम इज प्रदीप कोहर. तो उसमें कोई मीनिंग नहीं है, कोई मतलब नहीं है. इसका जो कोहर थेरेपी का जो इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ था, इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था, इट वाज 5 years बैक, 5 साल पहले, जब प्रदीप सर की माता जी की तबीयत बहुत खराब थी और वो कांदिवली हॉस्पिटल में, मल्टी स्पेशलिस्ट हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट थी. वहां पे डॉक्टर ने उनको जवाब दे दिया कि अभी हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. उन्होंने उनको बोला आप घर पे लेके जाइए, जैसे चाहिए आप उनको रखिए, अच्छे से रखिए, और उनको घर पे ही सब इलाज दे दीजिए. दैट वॉज द टाइम ऑफ अ चेंज. जो इवेल्युएशन चेंज जो खुद कुदरत चाहती है ना हमें किसी की मदद करने के लिए. अदरवाइज ही इज एन इंजीनियर बाय प्रोफेशन. ओके, तो दैट इज अ टाइम व्हेन ही स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग नेचर. जो हम बोलते हैं इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ नेचर इज वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल इन आवर लाइफ, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ. क्योंकि जितना आप नेचर से एक्सेप्ट करते हो, जितना आप नेचर के साथ खेलते हो, इट इज योर टेकिंग योर हेल्थ इन योर हैंड. इट इज दैट वे. तो तभी उन्होंने ये एक्सप्लोरेशन किया. तो विद इन 1 week मतलब उनकी माताजी खाने लगी, पीने लगी. सो शी वॉज एक्सट्रीमली वेल आफ्टर दैट. उसके बाद उन्होंने ये एक मकसद बना दिया कि मेरे को पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट करना है. जो भी पेशेंट मेरे पास आवे यहाँ से ठीक होके जाने चाहिए. तो सिंस तभी से उनका इवैल्यूएशन, उनका चेंजेस, उसमें कुछ एडिशन डालना है. ही कीप्स ऑन पुटिंग सम और द अदर एडिशंस, ताकि हम पेशेंट को बेटर ट्रीट कर सके. ओके, सबसे पहले आपको ऊपर दिख रहा है मैनेज बाय एरो ह्यूमैनिटी फाउंडेशन. कैन यू सी एवरीवन, राइट? तो जो मैनेज बाय एरो ह्यूमैनिटी जो फाउंडेशन है, इट इज एन एनजीओ. ये संस्था है जहाँ पे हम पेशेंट को फाइनेंशियल नीड जिसको होती है, हम उनका फाइनेंशियल नीड समझ के उनको हेल्प करते हैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ट्रीटमेंट देने के लिए. वी सपोर्ट देम एंटायरली विथ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ट्रीटमेंट. कोई बीपी का पेशेंट होगा, कोई डायलिसिस का पेशेंट होगा, कोई डायबिटिक का पेशेंट होगा, तो यहाँ पे ट्रीटमेंट आपको ये एनजीओ के थ्रू आपको ट्रीटमेंट पेशेंट के लिए फ्री मिल जाती है. इट्स एन ऑनररी ट्रस्ट एक्चुअली. उसके बाद आता है जीएसके वेलनेस हॉस्पिटल. जीएसके वेलनेस हॉस्पिटल, इट्स अ मल्टी स्पेशलिस्ट हॉस्पिटल. इट इज ऑन 5,000 square feet built up in मीरा रोड. ये मीरा रोड पे हॉस्पिटल है, मल्टी स्पेशलिस्ट हॉस्पिटल है. यर पेशेंट अगर कोई जब बोलता है कि नहीं हमको सर्जरी करके ही ट्रीट करना है नॉर्मल तरीके से, वी ट्रीट पेशेंट दैट वे. अगर कोई पेशेंट बोलता है कि वी वांट टू गेट ट्रीटमेंट जो आपका कोहर थेरेपी का है विदाउट मेडिसिन एंड सर्जरी, गेट मेडिसिन एंड सर्जरी फ्री, नेचुरल क्योर ट्रीटमेंट थ्रू कोहर थेरेपी. तो यहाँ पे दोनों ही ट्रीटमेंट मिलती है. मतलब ये इकोनॉमिकल है, कोई भी पेशेंट आपके यहाँ पे आके ट्रीट हो सकता है. तो दिस इज अबाउट जीएसके. देन कम्स कोहर हेल्थ एलएलपी, जो हमारी थर्ड संस्था है. दिस इज द कोहर हेल्थ एलएलपी. कोहर हेल्थ एलएलपी इज लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप. जहाँ पे लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप आ जाती है, आपको वहाँ के गवर्नमेंट के हिसाब से, जैसे हम लोग मीरा रोड में ये हॉस्पिटल है, तो हमें महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट के हिसाब से रजिस्टर करना होता है. So this company is registered under महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट, और ये कंपनी काफी सारा रिसर्च करती है. रिसर्च करती है इन द सेंस टू गेट समथिंग न्यू, मोर for getting patient more quickly treated for any diseases. Then comes Pronto. Pronto Healthcare Solutions. Pronto Healthcare Solutions क्या करता है? आपको सर्विसेज देता है आपके घर तक. इन द सेंस, आपको अभी जैसे COVID-19 चल रहा है, तो पेशेंट आर रियली फेयर टू गो टू द हॉस्पिटल, ताकि हमको ना डिजीज स्प्रेड हो जावे. तो दिस treatment we can get you done at your house. We can provide you the doctors. We can provide you the nurse. We can provide you the caretakers for a male or a female, whatever is required. But these services are only available right now in Mumbai. ये services सिर्फ मुंबई में available है. जैसे ही लॉकडाउन खुलेगा, we will be exploring in other places also. ये दूसरे स्टेट्स पे भी हम एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं, और ताकि हम हर जगह पहुंच सके. जैसे कोहर थेरेपी है, वी हैव बेस्ड एवरीवेयर अक्रॉस इंडिया, इवन वर्ल्ड वाइड ट्रीटमेंट्स आर गोइंग ऑन. काफी सारे हमारे पेशेंट्स हैं जो अब्रॉड में भी ट्रीट हो रहे हैं ये थेरेपी के थ्रू. यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है? Tell me one.
Perfect,
everything is clear.
perfect, Meenal madam.
Perfect. But I want to do this give service in the Mangalore, Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
I stay in Karnataka. Okay.
Okay. So you can do that. It is your free hand. It is your free hand. It is your free hand how you want to explore. Sky is a limit. How you want to explore. If you have patient internationally also, from being over here, you can guide them. You can counsel them.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So next, our tagline says, get medicine and surgery free natural cure by Koha therapy. जब भी हम बोलते हैं कि आप मेडिसिन फ्री और सर्जरी फ्री कोई भी डिजीज, दैट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम योर हेड, जो हमारे सर के बाल से लेके आपके पैर के नखुन तक, दैट इज अंगूठा, जहाँ पे आपकी डेथ निकलती है, वहां तक हम आपको ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. आप कोई भी डिसीज का नाम बोलो, चाहे वो स्किन एक्जिमिया हो, चाहे वो साइरोसिस हो, चाहे वो टीबी हो, या पाइल्स हो, या किडनी स्टोन, जो पेशेंट जैसे ही किडनी स्टोन होता है सर्जरी करवाता है, दैट स्टोन्स आर फॉर्म्ड अगेन. Throwing away something is not a solution. So here we treat patient of any disease, except if you have a doubt, there is no medicine. The second is death. For this, we don't have any solution. जहाँ पे भी आपको थोड़ा डाउट आ गया, तो वहां पे आपकी थेरेपी वर्क नहीं करती है, बिकॉज आपका फेथ खुद में छूट गया है. Okay, so now comes cohort therapy is a combination of a natural cure, immunotherapy and modern medical science. जो कोहर्ट थेरेपी है ये कॉम्बिनेशन के ऊपर काम करता है. एक है नेचुरल क्योर. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद नेचुरल क्योर. नेचुरल क्योर में क्या है? व्हाट डॉक्टर पीटर एडामो सेज के ईट राइट फॉर योर ब्लड टाइप. जो आपके ब्लड के अनुसार है, आप उस तरीके से खाइए तो आपको कभी डिसीज नहीं पकड़ेगी. यंग एज में हम खा लेते हैं, बट वो आपको इफेक्ट तो नहीं करता है, इट गोज अवे. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, A positive or B positive are not supposed to have sprouts as per their blood group. But if I consume, it is not going to help me at young age. But This consumption on daily basis at the later stage of mind causes me a disease. अभी वो आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं देगा, पर जैसे ही आप आगे एज में बढ़ते हो, आपको ये किसी न किसी तरीके से आपको ये डिजीज फॉर्म में आता है, जो हम रियलाइज नहीं करते हैं. एंड दैट इज द टाइम जब भी हमें डिजीज होती है, हम हॉस्पिटल्स में एडमिट होते हैं. दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन दे कनेक्ट विद द न्यूट्रिशन और द डाइटिशियन, जहाँ पे हॉस्पिटल का कैसे क्या है सेटअप, उस तरीके से तो हमको बोला जाता है आप ये तरीके के मेडिसिन, आप ये तरीके का फूड लो, ये तरीके का फूड लो. जो कोहोर्ट थेरेपी है वो क्या बोलता है, ब्लड ग्रुप इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इन ह्यूमन हेल्थ केयर, otherwise it is a poison. Any question over here? किसी को यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चन?
No, no more question. But
Okay.
here it's very, very like useful what you are telling, everything information.
Yeah. Okay, so Dr. Peter Adamo says healthcare is quite easy by avoiding poison in the food. Second, what he says, what Dr. Linus Pauling says, your mineral balance in the body. कहाँ पे भी आपकी डिसहार्मोनी है मिनरल पे, वहां पे आपकी डिजीज कॉज आना चालू करता है. जो हम आरओ यूज करते हैं या फिल्टर्ड करते हैं या बॉटल्ड पानी यूज करते हैं, that doesn't gives you the mineral, rather it kills your mineral. Sorry to say that. इसके लिए आरओ तो बैन किया गया है, एक्सेप्ट सर्टेन स्टेट्स में जहाँ पे पानी बहुत हार्ड है, उसके सिवा उसको मना किया गया है. सो मिनरल जो हमें मेजरली हमारे बॉडी में आता है वो वाटर के थ्रू आता है, एंड आवर बॉडी इज विथ 75% ऑफ वाटर. So natural cure में second thing what we do is mineral balance in body. So wherever there's a deficiency, we try to sustain that. So Dr. Linus Pauling, who is a 2 Nobel Prize winner and 48 PhD degree holder. This is the second component we take care in cohort therapy. Okay. Then comes the third criteria. The third is Dr. Vishwa Swarup. What does he says? Natural food diet. आप जितना नेचुरल खाना खाते हो उतना ही आपके बॉडी की हीलिंग कैपेसिटी ज्यादा बढ़ती है, क्योंकि जैसे ही आप उसको पकाते हो तो उसकी हीलिंग प्रॉपर्टी ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो जाती है या 10% रहती है. तो जितना हो सकता है एज पर हिम कि फूड टाइप एंड इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो हमारे हेल्दी बॉडी को मेंटेन करने के लिए है, so that will give us healthy living. Yes, somebody question, किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चन है? Any question? Okay, so what does Dr. Yeah, tell me, somebody questioning?
No, Meenal, I just put on because there's a Meghavi has just joined in.
Okay, so you can welcome her. Welcome.
Yeah, Meghavi, are you there out here? She's a dietitian herself.
Okay.
And Meghavi, you're there? So she's just joined in. I just wanted to inform that. That's it.
Okay.
You continue, Meenal. You're doing good.
Yeah. Dr. Meghavi, can you just brief me at least about yourself? आप क्या करते हो? I think she cannot hear us. Yeah. आपका वॉइस क्रैक हो रहा है सर. आपका
Are
वॉइस.
you asking for me? Are you asking for me? I'm Dr. Siraj here.
No, not Dr. Siraj. I'm asking the dietitian who is currently joined Dr. Meghi.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's
So,
a dietitian. She's a dietitian.
Yeah. So what Dr. Vishwa Swarup says कि natural food diet जो हमारे food type के हिसाब से और ingredients के हिसाब से we should be consuming more of a natural food than the cooked food. Okay, so we believe the philosophy of this. Then the fourth criteria is Ayurvedic nutrition. आयुर्वेदा हमारे घर, हर घर की एक पहचान है. इंडिया में तो हर घर की पहचान है. जो भी हम यूज करते हैं किचन में, चाहे वो हल्दी हो, चाहे वो अदरक हो, चाहे वो लहसुन हो, दे आर ऑल आयुर्वेदिक. तो नेचुरल आयुर्वेदिक जो न्यूट्रिशंस होती है वो हमारे हेल्थ केयर के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और वो हमें हेल्प करती है हेल्दी रहने के लिए. So Ayurvedic nutrition as per the illness helps better cure. ताकि वो आपके बॉडी को सस्टेनेबिलिटी मेंटेन करता है. यू से क्या दादी माँ के नुस्खे जो पहले चलते थे कि एसिडिटी हो रही है, अदरक चबा लो. दादी अगर गिर के आते थे तो दादी माँ हमको हल्दी लगाती थी. So that is what we believe in Ayurvedic nutrition. So this is the combination of four things what we believe in natural cure. Then comes immunotherapy. What we do is we guide you certain ways to build your immunity. ताकि अगर आपकी इम्यूनिटी बेटर होगी तो वो डिजीज को अटैक करने में इजी हो जाता है. Once you are once you are getting cured via natural cure, you are building your immunity automatically. There is nothing can attack you. And then comes modern medical science. Why we have taken modern medical science into consideration is ताकि जो हम बोलते हैं कि ये हमें डिजीज है तो उसको देखने के लिए कि वो कितना क्योर हुआ है, क्योंकि हमारी जो ट्रीटमेंट है इट इज टाइम बाउंड ट्रीटमेंट. एनी पर्सन गोइंग टू एनी डॉक्टर आस्किंग फॉर इट कि मेरा मेनोपॉज का प्रॉब्लम कब खत्म होगा, या टीबी कब खत्म होगी, या बीपी कब खत्म होगा, डॉक्टर्स कैन नॉट टेल यू द टाइम. Sorry to say, but this is the reality. But in our treatment, in our therapy, we say it is curable within time bound. That too, our philosophy उसको मानते हो, करते हो, it works wonders. So modern medical science, what we do is only taking the help of the report to understand, to know what the disease is and how we can get the patient treated. ताकि हम उसका line of diagnosis के हिसाब से we can treat a person at a economical price. Depending उनकी what is the condition. So these are the ways where Koher therapy helps a person to get treated for any disease from top of your head hair till the toe. Except doubt and death, we don't have any cure for that. One therapist, अभी क्या है, मेरे को डायबिटिक है, हार्ट का भी प्रॉब्लम है, ब्लड प्रेशर प्रॉब्लम भी है, तो मैं अलग अलग डॉक्टर्स के पास पे करती हूँ. आई गो टू डिफरेंट डॉक्टर्स फॉर टेकिंग देयर एडवाइस. डायबिटिक वाला मेरे को अपने हिसाब से बोलेगा, हार्ट वाला मेरे को अपने हिसाब से बोलेगा, और ब्लड प्रेशर वाला अपने हिसाब से बोलेगा. बट यहाँ पे वन थेरेपिस्ट कैन ट्रीट ऑल द पेशेंट, एनी पेशेंट. यहाँ पे आपको 10 इसकी जरूरत नहीं है कि मेरे को 10 पेशेंट्स के 10 लोगों के यहाँ पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Because it is one therapist is sufficient for a patient to be cured. I don't need anything else besides this. Is this clear till now? वेलकम, कोई एजे आए हैं, वेलकम सर. आप अपना ब्रीफिंग दे सकोगे? Somebody by the name of AJ. Can you brief about yourself? आई थिंक उनका माइक नहीं लगा हुआ है या क्या? क्या एजे को किसने इनवाइट किया है, या आप मुझे उनके बारे में बता सकते हो?
मैडम एक्चुअली कॉल तो मैंने बहुत किया लेकिन अभी सबका नाम याद नहीं है।
ओके सर, ओके
हाँ।
मनोहर जी, ओके मनोहर जी।
हेलो मैम,
हाँ जी बोलो गायत्री मैडम।
ये आदेश नाम के एक है, उनका अभी ये ए से नाम वो होगा तो आई थिंक
हो
वही
सकता
होंगे।
है, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम।
हाँ,
हाँ
क्योंकि
आई थिंक
AJF शॉर्टकट तो मुझे नहीं पता उनका,
ठीक
बट
है,
आदेश
चलेगा,
नाम ए से स्टार्ट है
ठीक है, चलेगा गायत्री जी।
जी। तो
Okay.
पहले वो क्लियर कर लेंगे तो पता चल
नहीं,
जाएगा।
नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, इट इज ओके, डजंट मैटर्स। ओके,
या थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। हाँ जी गायत्री, आप अपना फोन म्यूट पे मैं ही कर देती हूँ आपको। ओके, यहाँ तक किसी को समझ पे, किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चंस, ताकि मैं आपको जवाब दे सकूं। या somebody by the name of नरेंद्र अहरवार, कैन यू ब्रीफ मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ? आप अपने बारे में कुछ मुझे बताओगे?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, I have recently actually I was in other webinar, so I just joined.
Okay.
Basically, I'm a consultant. I'm a financial advisor, CFP by profession from last 20 years.
Okay. And have you been referred through somebody or how?
मैडम मेरा है मनोहर का।
Manoj
Okay.
Thakur. Yeah.
Okay.
हाँ हाँ।
Okay. Done.
Hmm.
So, can you tell me, like, you are a financial advisor, what is your expectations from us? What are you thinking about it, so that I can guide you accordingly?
See, the thing is that I'm much more keen into health sector. Okay,
Okay.
I'm already running my NGO, as well as I'm associate with Bharat BVG Group. You might be knowing 10 ambulance.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm handling whole Maharashtra. So
Okay,
in
very
this,
good.
I have number of doctors associated, but specifically into the Ayurvedic sector, not in allopathy.
Oh, very good, very good.
Because I don't believe in. I have some incidents prior to last.
Agreed. That is the reason it makes
So-
us shift from allopathy to the naturopath.
Yes. So that's
Very
the reason I heard about this therapy, and I thought of let check it out what exactly, because I have heard it first time.
Okay. Just so as you have joined now, I'll just give you a gist about it in
Okay.
short, so that you can understand what I have spoken. It will be
Okay.
fast, but it will
No,
be
no
at least
problem. No.
it will at least help you to understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I put off my mic or?
You can just put up, doesn't matter, so that you
Okay.
will understand now what am I talking
Okay.
about.
No problem. No
I'll
problem.
just share my this
Okay.
the pamphlet so that you can see and you can connect.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
One second. Can you see my screen right now?
It's
Can you
visible.
see? You
Yes,
can
yes.
see me, right? So right now, see, we have got 4 subsidies companies. अभी मैं
Okay.
आपके लिए English में fast बात करूँगी.
No problem. No problem. Will do.
Yeah, we have got 4 subsidies company. One is Arrow Humanity Foundation, which is an NGO itself,
Okay.
where we get patient treated over here without any charges, as
Okay.
it's an NGO. Okay.
Okay.
As our therapy is get medicine and surgery free natural cure by Kohat
Okay.
therapy. A
Okay.
tagline itself says that. Okay. So we
Okay.
treat over your patient naturally without surgery.
Okay.
Any patient you refer over here can be treated.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Then we have got a second company, that is GSK Wellness Hospital, which is a 5,000 square feet multi-specialist hospital based in Mira Road,
Okay.
where we have got all specialists under over here. We have got a counselor, we have got a cancer. Every doctor is available over here.
Okay.
Okay. So if in case a patient wants to get it treated with the surgery, we are open. Otherwise, we treat over here the patient with Kohat therapy also.
Okay.
Yeah, it is both the services are being told to the patient. as per their economical conditions or whatever it is, you know.
Okay. Okay.
Then comes the third company is Coher Health LLP. It is a limited liability company.
LLC. Okay.
LLP is a partnership which is registered under the Maharashtra Act.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then comes Pronto and Coher Health LLP has it as limited liability partnership. We are registered under Maharashtra government.
Mhm.
This company does lot of research to get into more natural cure where we can treat patient. Rather, right now we are saying some diseases can be cured within 1 to 3 months time, or some diseases like for a cancer can be treated within 6 to 9 months time, for an example.
Okay.
So we are trying to find out, can we still cure more faster than this?
Okay.
Coher Health LLP does all that research work.
Okay.
Okay, then comes Pronto Health Care. Pronto Healthcare is giving services at your place. Any patient, like right now COVID is going on,
Okay.
patients are really fear to go to the hospital because of that disease getting
Okay.
spread to them. So
Mhm.
here, if you want a doctor, you want a nurse, you want a caretaker, we
Mhm.
can provide you the complete setup at your house.
Okay.
Yeah, but this service is right now only available in Mumbai,
Okay.
because we were supposed to start even across India, but could
Okay.
not start because of this lockdown. Once
Okay.
the lockdown is through, we will be starting these services too.
Okay.
Rest all services are available across India.
Okay.
Even internationally, we have got people who are treating it. We have got clients even who are getting it treated over here. Okay. Our tagline says get medicine and surgery free natural cure. So what
Okay.
we believe in the natural cure, Coher therapy itself is a combination of natural cure, immunotherapy and modern medical science.
Acha. One thing I want to know, okay, your in Mumbai, we are
Yeah.
located. Your hospital is at only Mira Road or any other?
We are connected. We have got connectivity of all the hospital across India.
Okay.
Yes, our main 5,000 square feet is super specialist hospital. It's based in Mumbai. आपका voice is cracking. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, so here we have got services available, okay, across India. I can't hear your voice.
To ask you about when is this service going to start in
I cannot hear your voice. Your voice is cracking, sir. आपका voice मुझे clear नहीं आ रहा है. Hello. The voice is not clear.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, sir. You were talking something.
No,
I
I was
could not
not.
hear.
I was not talking.
DCG
Somebody else
permission
was.
require पड़ला
Okay. So what? प्लीज जिसका भी फोन जिस जो फोन पे नहीं बात कर रहे हैं अपना फोन म्यूट पे रख दीजिए. सोना मैडम, मैंने आपको को होस्ट बनाया है
अभी दोबारा थोड़ा सा करें
ताकि आप फोन म्यूट कर सकते हो.
Okay, 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 dear.
I have kept you co-host so that you can mute them. The person who has a
Definitely.
question, yeah, नरेंद्र जी बोलिए.
No, I was.
हाँ जी. So as we say, Coher therapy is a combination of natural cure, immunotherapy, and modern medical science. Natural cure, you know, we work on your blood group, because
Okay.
what Dr. Peter Adamo says, you need to eat proper food as per your blood type.
Okay.
If you are A positive, you need to have accordingly. If you are B positive, you need to have accordingly. If you are eating at a young age, it will not show you the effect, but it is not going to help you also.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it is like as if you are consuming a poison, but the implications are not seen immediately. Some implications are seen immediately, some are not seen immediately.
Okay.
So blood group is the most important factor in the human healthcare. That is what Dr. Peter Adamo says, and he's done a lot of research and proven scientist.
Okay.
Okay. Then we believe in mineral balance in body. What Dr. Linus Pauling says, if in case there is a mineral deficiency, you tend to get disease. It is sure.
Okay.
It is a root cause, and he's a 2 Nobel Prize winner, and 48 PhD degree holder.
Okay.
So he's done so much of research in mineral therapy. So what he says, wherever there's a mineral deficiency, और जो हमें mineral मिलता है, what we eat जो हमें मिलता है, और हमारी body जो है, it is with 75% is with water.
Yes.
That is most important mineral in our body.
Mhm.
But we think we filter our water, we use RO, we use bottled water. But are they really mineral water? This is a big question.
Yes. Okay.
So somewhere we are putting poison in our body. That is the reason so many diseases are getting formed day by day.
Okay.
If you see even COVID, the patient whom they are treating it, they are making their water alkaline.
Okay.
And that is where the patients are getting even treated.
Okay.
Because of deficiency in mineral, any disease will attack you.
Mhm.
Okay. Then comes natural food diet. What Dr. Vishwasarup says, your food type and your ingredients are key to your healthy body. If your food type is as per your blood group and the ingredients what is to be eaten raw and you are eating it as a boil, automatically the nutrients gets diluted.
Okay.
So natural food diet is a must for a body to keep our body healthy.
Okay. Mhm.
Then comes Ayurvedic nutrition. You know, दादी माँ के नुस्खे जो पहले काम करते थे,
काम करते थे. Yes, definitely.
गिर गए हल्दी लगा दो, it is antiseptic. So what Koha therapy believes in Ayurvedic nutrition. Natural Ayurvedic nutrition help us to cure our body.
Okay.
Whether if you have acidic, we take ginger. जो दादी माँ बोलती थी अदरक खा लो मुंह में रखो आपकी bloating खत्म हो जाएगी. So
Okay.
that is where Koha therapy is a combination of all this four.
Mhm.
Then once your immunity is been worked, immunotherapy, once your immunity is built, we tell you certain ways even to build up your immunity.
Okay.
Okay, that is where you can get it treated and cured.
Mhm.
Then comes modern medical science. We take the help of modern medical science so that it helps your disease to know what it is. Okay, and plus when it's over, when we say it's a time bound, so when we know whether it is completely over or not, at the end of it we will ask you go and get your test done.
Okay.
That is where we take the modern medical science support.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah, Koha therapy is an economical. It can, any patient can come to you whether he has money, he's financially rich or he is not.
Mhm.
Okay, that is the one benefit of it. Second thing, it can cure any disease starting from your head of the hair till the toe. Means you can get anything you say under the umbrella can be treated.
Okay.
But if you have a doubt,
Mhm.
if there is a death, there is no cure.
Okay.
Yeah,
If a person doesn't trust you, what
Mhm.
you're speaking about, so automatically you cannot treat him, no?
Yeah, definitely.
That is what it is.
Okay.
yes.
And our therapy is based on this 4 renowned scientists who is proven, who is there in the industry.
Okay. One question I have.
Huh.
Is it necessary to get admitted to the hospital, or you can
You can get it treated anywhere, sir. Anywhere means at home also.
at home itself? Okay.
Yes, at home also.
Mhm.
Like I am treating 3 patients right now. They're
Okay.
all are getting treated at home. Only I do the counseling on the phone
Okay.
via Zoom calls. So that
Okay.
I see the patient, I understand the patient, then I note down their things.
Okay.
Yeah. And here the added advantage is one therapist can get treated, can treat a patient irrespective of any diseases. A person has to not go to 10 people.
Mhm.
Only we need to know the line of disease, the line of problem what you are having it.
Okay.
Once we know that, okay, what is your disease, since when you have it, then accordingly we guide you. We give you every combinations what you want to.
Mhm.
We will tell you even the time frame then.
Acha.
We will tell you if you are going with this combination, this is the time frame you are going to get treated. If you are going with this combination, this is the time frame you are going to get it cured.
Okay.
Yeah. So we will give you all that permutation combinations.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है, no
Okay?
problem.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So let me continue now ahead.
हाँ.
Then comes list of services, what you can earn, you know.
Mhm.
One second. We have got
Hello, ma'am.
24, we have got 24 parameters where you can get associated with us, where you can work with us.
Okay.
Yeah, because it is not one way. You
Yes.
may be convenient in a one way, other person may be convenient in another way.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that way we have got 24 parameters where you can work with us
Mhm.
and where you can get it, you're earning with us.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now comes the first parameter is a consultation.
Okay.
In consultation, it is two parts which is divided. One is counseling,
Mhm.
another one is consulting.
Okay.
If you are doing a counseling, whatever you charge the patient is your own earning.
Okay.
We are not going to be taking anything from you.
Acha.
But yes, in that, if in case some patient, where it's a critical patient, we
Mhm.
ask you to take some supplements, that
Mhm.
supplement earning anyway you earn into profit.
Okay.
So you are my
Mhm.
profit earning partner.
Okay.
You're not a loss partner with me, you're only a profit sharing partner with me.
Okay. Mhm.
मतलब आप जो मेरे साथ जुड़ोगे, आपकी अर्निंग जो होगी हर एक चीज में, you will be my profit sharing partner.
Okay.
So one is counseling, जहाँ पे हम पेशेंट की डिटेलिंग लेती है. सेकेंड आती है कंसल्टिंग.
Okay.
कंसल्टिंग में where patient requires one-to-one touch to understand उसका डिजीज का प्रोग्रेस कितना हो रहा है, उसका जो
Okay.
ट्रीटमेंट आपने चालू किया है.
Mhm.
यहाँ पे अगर आप किसी की हेल्प करते हो, if you take the help from your senior buddy, then you share your amount. But if in case you are only doing it, there is your own income in it.
Okay.
That also becomes your own income. Plus यहाँ पे क्या है, आपको एटलीस्ट पेशेंट का मालूम पड़ता है what is happening with the line of treatment what you are giving it.
Okay.
तो कंसल्टिंग डिपेंडिंग ऑन द पेशेंट का ट्रीटमेंट के टाइम बाउंड के हिसाब से यू कैन चार्ज इन एडवांस. दिस इज माय अमाउंट आई एम गोइंग टू बी चार्जिंग यू फॉर कंसल्टिंग, एंड वंस ही डिपॉजिट्स then you can work along with him hand in hand.
Okay.
Yes, because when you even do the counseling, we tell you clear cut, first explain the patient about the cohort therapy. If he says yes, then you charge him counseling fees and then you tell him the line of treatment.
Okay.
He should know okay, on what parameters you are treating him, and then accordingly the charges happens.
Okay.
Your counseling can be one time. You can counsel him every month. It is up to you, and you can charge.
Okay.
Consulting, once you take it up, it becomes for the time of treatment, time bound के हिसाब से you can
Okay.
charge.
Okay.
So in this, so this income is your 100% your income. Whatever supplements, if in case it is
I
required.
just want to know how much amount we can charge at each patient once when we
Each area differs. It is up to you. We are not going to be telling you okay, you charge this much only. It is your area. It is you. Sky, जैसे अभी मैंने आपको बोला, sky is a limit. अगर आपके एरिया में 10,000 चार्ज करते हैं तो आप चार्ज करो ना. I am not going to stop you.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yeah.
Yeah, the patients will be given by y'all or it will be our area patients?
See, if you want, we can provide you even that.
Okay.
We can provide you. As if most of the doctors have their own patients. So if in case they start treating them only and they start seeing the results, obviously a patient will give you another 10 more patients. No?
Right.
Once you start, Dr. Sona, can you share your experience here?
Yeah. As I think Prachi, you're a dietitian, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So definitely what you said and what Dr. Meenal said, if you have your people at your end, it is definitely your approach to them. or else even you get patients from here, because we are not into searching the ill ones. We are here to spread wellness. ठीक है?
Right.
So definitely if one person is treated, will not keep it to himself, है ना? Word of mouth तो spread होगा ही होगा. How you
Right.
approach them, how you treat them. Kohar is giving you 100% platform over here to practice and gain the results. ठीक है? यहाँ पे कोहार का कुछ individual कोई यहाँ पे benefit नहीं है. In fact, it has made a platform for people like us where we can use its platform and help each other. जैसे यहाँ पे all भी alternative medicine practitioners हैं, तो we can take the guidance of each other, and our goal is to treat a patient. उनको wellness देना है ना?
Right,
तो अगर
right.
आपके end से भी होगा, it is good. If you want patients, जैसे कि if I am residing in Borivali and if you are in Vasai, I can hand over you कि वहाँ पे है, you can go, you know.
अच्छा, हाँ हाँ.
So वैसे भी हम कर सकते हैं mutual consent के साथ.
अच्छा, okay, okay.
So इसीलिए तो हमने ये group form किया है, and as a team we are working over here. If you can see, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे practitioners हैं different areas से.
Okay.
From Mumbai and outside Mumbai as well.
Yeah. Okay.
So this
Thank you.
platform, when we are giving you, if in case say you don't want to do counseling, you are saying I don't want to do counseling, डॉक्टर सोना आप कर लो या मेरे को आप भेजते हो, तो वो काउंसलिंग का अमाउंट आपके साथ शेयर किया जाएगा. वी विल बी शेयरिंग दैट अमाउंट ऑन अ अंडरस्टैंडिंग बेसिस. कुड बी वी मे डू इट 20%, वी मे डू 50%, क्योंकि काउंसलिंग का अमाउंट आप कितना चार्ज करते हो उसके बेसिस में आपकी शेयरिंग भी हो जाती है. उसमें क्या होता है, अभी जैसे मिस्टर नरेश, he has an NGO but he is a financial advisor. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. तो उसमें क्या है, he doesn't want to do counseling. He says डॉक्टर सोना या मीनल आप ले लो, या और भी कोई हमारे जो थेरेपिस्ट है, आप उनको बोलते हो आप ले लो, तो वो भी आपको शेयर भेजेंगे. वी विल बी शेयरिंग दैट. और जो सप्लीमेंट्स, अगर वो क्रिटिकल कंडीशन का पेशेंट है, उसको जो हम सप्लीमेंट कर देंगे, जो हम प्रिस्क्राइब करेंगे, दैट ऑल विल बी गोइंग थ्रू योर आईडी. सो समवेयर यू आर गोइंग टू बी अर्निंग. If in case a patient is critical, we tell him you have to do this way. अगर आपको immediate cure चाहिए, अगर नहीं बोलता है, he says I want to work as a therapist के हिसाब से जो आपका line of treatment है, naturally I want to get cured, we are there that way also. So it is a combination what he wants and how he wants to get treated. Okay, then
Okay.
yeah. Then comes hospitalization. If in case your patient gets hospitalized within our hospital, there also you are earning 15 to 20% on the profit of the hospital bill. As we told you, कि you are a profitable partner, not a loss making. तो यहाँ पे जो profit आएगा, that will be shared with you. So the profit, whatever it is, 15 to 20% will be shared. In case any supplements, health supplements are also being given to the patient, that also you will be earning whatever the margins are and however the profitability is, that will be shared with you. Everything, the patient will be treated through you, but the services is only of the hospital. For an example, then comes health training. You want to create an awareness, say in your own society. You want our consulting to be done where we charge certain amount or we don't charge any amount, whatever. But any patient coming through there will be referred through you, but will be treated by us under your ID, under your detailing, where you will be intimated. Okay, this patient has come. How do you want us to take it up? Even if that patient comes directly, कि मैं ये building से आया हूँ, because even we are going to be having that database with us, कि where we have done the consulting. Then comes franchisee. अभी जैसे डॉक्टर सिराज ने बोला या फिर नरेंद्र जी ने बोला, हमारे पास जगह है. उन लोग बोलते हैं हमको अपनी फ्रेंचाइजी चलानी है वहां पे, वी आर ओके. So if you are a franchisee anyway, there you have a passive income directly. 5 to 30% of your passive income is there, plus 10% जो आपका प्रॉफिट है फ्रेंचाइजी फीस पे, प्लस उसके सिवा वहां पे जो पेशेंट आ रहे हैं अगर आप उसको ट्रीट कर रहे हो तो इवन दैट बिकम्स योर ओन इनकम. कोई बोलता है आई जस्ट वांट टू डू ओनली डायरेक्ट सेलिंग, आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू एनीथिंग एल्स, इवन दैट इज पॉसिबल. आपका जो खुद का टीम क्रिएट करोगे अपने फैमिली, अपने फ्रेंड्स या अपने एक्वेंटेंस जो अपने नियर एंड डियर वंस है या आपके जितने खुद के कनेक्टेड है, तो यू कैन गेट इवन देयर अ डायरेक्ट सेलिंग से. अभी जैसे इनका हॉस्पिटल है डॉक्टर सिराज का, फॉर एन एग्जांपल he can say I want a direct selling over there, so we can even do that. Where you are earning directly the profit. Then comes patient referral. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला अगर आपको काउंसलिंग नहीं करनी है आप मेरे को पेशेंट रेफर करते हो, you earn in that. You are earning it though you are not treating a patient. If you have 10 patients, if you have 20 patients with you, you know ये 20 patients तो मैं तो खाली 10 ट्रीट कर सकूंगी, 10 को मैं ट्रीट नहीं कर सकूंगी क्योंकि मेरे पास भी टाइम उतना है हाथ में. तो if you refer that patient, तो even other person will give you that share of amount whether he does counseling or he does consulting, and the product and the supplements that will be going through your ID. So you are not losing a single patient over here. If somebody says, no, I don't want to do this, I just want to be an affiliated partner, for an example, I want to expand only my horizon, I don't want to do any counseling, तो जिसको भी वो patient refer करेगा वो amount share वो person उनके साथ करता है. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, आपकी टीम बाउंडिंग होती है, एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाती है, प्लस आपको मालूम है कि अगर मैं इसके पास पेशेंट भेजूंगा तो मेरे को ये ट्रीटमेंट इमीडिएटली मेरे पेशेंट को हेल्प मिलता है. तो पेशेंट बिकम सेटिस्फाइड क्योंकि वो आपके आईडी के आपके नोन थ्रू जा रहा है, तो उसको मालूम है कि ये मेरे को अगर मैम किसी को गाइड करती है तो गलत नहीं गाइड करेगी. सो यू आर योर फेस इज देयर फॉर देम. So in this also you can earn. Then comes corporate presentation. As the person Narendra is in financial, you know, if he knows some companies where he refers, जहाँ पे हम presentation करते हैं, where we charge some consulting or don't charge, but has a health specialist, any person going to the corporate, they pay them some token amount. So that amount will also get shared. That too up to 50% of the consulting fees. Plus whatever is required over there, so that goes anyway through your ID again. Then comes help desk executive. Say for an example, you are you don't have time, you want a consulting to be done by our health desk executives. We have got a health desk executive which is operating 24/7, where we provide solution to all the patient. So you are anyway there on our panels, and that patient says, "Okay, I am coming through this therapist." So automatically, whatever the consulting charges we charge, we are going to be giving you up to 50% profit on the consulting fees. Plus, in case anything has been prescribed, will be intimated. And that will be coming through your ITs. Then comes paramedical. जैसे मैंने बोला आपको Pronto gives you any paramedical services जो आपके लिए घर पे जरूरी है. Whether you want a house nurse, whether you want an assistant, whether you want a therapist. So whatever you want, we have that services. In this, you become a profitable partner from 10 to 20%. जो भी वो पैरामेडिकल पर्सन चार्ज करता है वहां पे आपको 10 to 20% प्रॉफिट आपके पास आता है. So somewhere or other, you are not losing your business. Is this understood? Any questions still यहाँ पे?
This Narendra here. I want to ask that if we are going to take any
G, yes, understand.
If you're going to take anything,
franchisee, so is
Yes.
there any fees you will charge?
yes, there will be a franchisee charges. That also we will give you two options, whether you want to manage on your own or
Okay.
whether you want a company to manage it.
Okay. Okay.
That will vary as per the areas, criteria.
Okay. And second thing is that in current scenario, if we want to conduct any awareness sort of thing in society or cooperative
You
society,
can do that. You have to let us know. We are open.
Okay. So is this chargeable or same?
Depends. सब अपने ऊपर आपके ऊपर है, sir.
Okay.
You have to tell us what you want.
Okay. Okay. We can go on digital mode as well.
Yes,
But-
whatever mode. Anyway, you
Okay.
tell us.
Okay.
Like I am in touch with one of the company right now, where I'm
Okay.
in discussion for their 200 employees. So we right now, being the condition of COVID, he has asked me, Meenal madam, we will take it via Zoom. So it's okay.
Okay. Mhm,
So it is up to you in which way do you want to take it up.
Okay, last time we have done with Dr. Radhika Verma from Indore. Okay, so we have done one session on COVID-19.
Okay.
So, okay, no doubt. We'll definitely, maybe in next 10 to 15 working days, we can move for some other activity.
Yeah. You can anytime move it with us. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Then we have got pathology tests, which is being done anyway. Every doctor, whoever refers to a specific pathology lab, they earn a profit.
Okay.
So even we provide that services. You're referring a patient
Mhm.
under your ID. Obviously, we are going to be paying you. We are going to be paying you up to 25% profit on the deal getting closed. आपने पेशेंट को रेफर किया है, वो पेशेंट हमारे पास नहीं आता है, राइट? तो वी विल नॉट बी शेयरिंग. बट अगर वो पेशेंट आता है, वी क्लोज द डील, यू गेट द प्रॉफिटेबल in that 25%.
Okay.
Yeah. So this way we provide even home support services. As I told, like we have got health experts
Mhm.
who come, who gives you these services at your home also. So in that up to 100% profit जो आप counseling और consulting में earn करते हो, that is your profit.
Okay.
And especially these are the patient who are unable to come.
Mhm.
Critical patient.
Okay.
Yes. So that support we do provide. Besides this, we have got freedom package, donation, medical tourism. Even if somebody wants only a distributor hand holding, in that also you earn 50%.
Okay.
Yes. 50% share in the profit.
Okay.
Yes. So this is where we have got line of services available with us. Okay. Any questions till now? किसी को इसमें कुछ question? I have taken already 2 minutes more. Yes, tell me. Any questions यहाँ पे किसी के लिए?
Then how do we charge the fees and so on? It depends on
It is up to you. It is up to you. We
Mhm.
are not going to tell you anything. Sir, आपके ऊपर है. आपको लगता है कि patient को मेरे को इतना charge करना है, आप free हो.
Okay. नहीं, but
तो
suppose
because वो counseling, वो consulting आप दे रहे हो.
But then you all will be advertising for it?
How will I? Because the patient is coming to you, madam.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. That is
So-
why I wanted to know कि how
So,
will you all
like,
be
if in
linked
case, like,
to
see
these
now,
patients?
see how we are. See now, advertising. If in case you want us to give you the patient, we can do it. Okay, we do it. But if not, then
Can I simplify this, Meenal madam? Can I just simplify this?
Yes, Sona. Yes, madam.
Okay, Mr. Narendra, I would just like to come back to your question.
Okay.
Could you just tell me what doubt are you having?
How
No, you
No, he
just said
doesn't
how
ask.
do you?
Prachi.
No. You asked.
Prachi had
नहीं,
a doubt.
प्राची ने तो पूछा, but let's begin because नरेंद्र
हाँ.
जी ने पूछा कि हम उसको कितना चार्ज करना चाह रहे हैं ना? आपने ये पूछा था, राइट?
Right.
कितना चार्ज करना चाहिए नरेंद्र जी? आपने ये पूछा था. तो मैं आपको यही बताऊंगी कि in what approach are you looking at the patient? अगर आप एक काउंसलर की तरह उसका पूरा ट्रीटमेंट का जिम्मा उठा रहे हो तो आपका चार्जेस वैसे रहना चाहिए. समझ रहे हो आप? अगर आप शेयर करने का सोच रहे हो कि आप काउंसलिंग नहीं कर रहे हो, आप सिर्फ कंसल्टेशन करके आगे बढ़ा रहे हो, तो आई थिंक द चार्जेस शुड बी compiled on that terms. Prachi, the same answer is to you. We can help you get the patients for you, okay? And if we are giving you, we are referring you, so definitely as Meenal madam said, every income is being shared. यहाँ पे हम बहुत ज़्यादा transparency और बहुत ज़्यादा mutual consent रख रहे हैं, because the entire goal and the entire thing is कि wellness provide करना है हमको और सही तरीके से करना है. The bottom line is no medicine, no surgery. We are not going to land the person into problem because he's already been frustrated and agitated from this type of system. तभी वो हमारे पास आ रहा है through natural cure.
That's what my question was. That's what my question was. कि ठीक है, हम लोग यहाँ पे सर्जरी नहीं करने वाले हैं या whatever. ठीक है, we are doing it on naturopathy. Okay. So what? Suppose in case we consult, we counsel, हमने counseling की, सब कुछ किया, but happened कि नहीं उसे admit करना पड़ा. In that time, what is the fees what we are charging? What it is affordable to him or not?
जब आप अगर आप एक अगर you are a full-fledged therapist or a practitioner, so definitely you would not require any guideline. But suppose if you are just doing it because you want to heal yourself and plus help others, तो मेरे हिसाब से आपको टीम में से किसी भी एक qualified trained person का help लेना चाहिए before you commit anything to the patient, है ना? तो एक म्यूचुअल कंसेंट पे आप एक प्रैक्टिशनर से ये टॉक करिए कि ये प्रोटोकॉल है, ये इलनेस है, ये एलिमेंट है, ये टाइम ड्यूरेशन है, इसको ऐसे से करना है. अगर वो क्रॉनिक है तो डेफिनेटली ट्रीटमेंट हैंडलिंग विल बी इजियर इफ यू टेक एनी थेरेपिस्ट और अ प्रैक्टिशनर्स गाइडलाइन. या अगर आप खुद हैं तो आपको तो पता ही होगा उसके नॉर्म्स या प्रोटोकॉल्स. तो उस हिसाब से जब आप कोई भी चीज कमिट कर रहे हो और उसी के बैकअप के लिए, जैसे उन्होंने स्टार्टिंग में इंट्रोडक्शन आपको बताया मीनल मैडम ने कि वहां पे हॉस्पिटल का सपोर्ट आपको मिल ही रहा है, जीएसके है, हमारे बैकअप के लिए हम आपको एक टीम दे रहे हैं. कोहार इज गिविंग दैट प्लेटफॉर्म. हेलो.
Yeah, madam, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Yes.
So they are giving us a platform. वो दे ही रहे हैं हमको. क्योंकि ये हमको इसलिए प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहे हैं बिकॉज हमारे में से यहाँ पे काफी ऐसे लोग हैं जो इस फील्ड से नहीं है बट खुद ठीक हो रहे हैं, इसीलिए दे आर रेजिंग और दे आर गिविंग एन हेल्पिंग हैंड टू अदर. तो ऐसे लोगों के खास करके हम ये बता रहे हैं कि दीज पीपल आर नॉट अलोन एंड वी आर देयर. मतलब कोहार एंड हिज टीम इज देयर. Sorry, somebody is saying anything?
Yeah, Dr. Siraj. Yeah, Dr. Siraj. Yeah, Dr. Siraj.
ठीक है.
नहीं, आपका नहीं सुना रहे हैं.
मुलकी फोन आलो त्यांचं 4:30.
हाँ, Dr. Siraj.
तुम्ही 4:30 पौने 5.
Yeah, tell. Besides this, any questions over here? हाँ, Dr. Siraj, बोलिए ना. हेलो. Hello, Dr. Siraj, any questions? Let us wind up. Any questions from anyone else? और कुछ questions है किसी के लिए?
Yes, मेरे questions ज़्यादा हैं.
हाँ, बोलिए ना सर, बोलिए ना.
जी, everything is clarified, not an issue. Okay. I'm
Okay.
interested to do.
Okay, yeah, tell me Narendra, tell me.
Yeah, I want to know कि इसका trainings वगैरह कैसे होता है, क्या होता है,
हाँ,
counseling वगैरह,
training
basic
we
चीज़।
start, हाँ, basic training we provide 10 days training which is free of cost. Okay.
Okay.
Now one training is going with a nominal cost of 200 rupees, which Margaret ma'am is taking it. My
Okay.
training is going to start again within, I think today is my one training getting over. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll be starting again a new batch of 10 days training, which is free of cost.
Okay.
So in this training, we provide you all the understanding of what Koha therapy is in detailing.
Okay.
And how to be doing it. And in that also, we discuss the 24 ways of earning. We discuss every aspect of it. We discuss even cases over there, the live cases.
Okay.
Yes.
So in this training period, can we refer any patients and so on?
Yes, a
If we
patient in
have
the sense,
patients.
see, if you have patient,
Yeah.
but then patient should be, wanting to know about Koha therapy.
Okay.
One thing, patient, if in case you have a patient, you want to only take up the case studies, we have a session between 2 to 3 where we discuss each and every patient cases. If you have a patient, you have filled up the counseling form. So we can discuss that between 2 to 3.
Okay.
So that you understand the line of treatment, what it is to be done. But before that, you should be knowing what Koha therapy is all about.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, we need some basic details.
Yes, basic details. 10 days training we will be starting. 10 days training which is going to be free of cost, which will be started. Otherwise, Dr. Margaret, she's a dietitian. Her treatment, her session is going to be starting from today onwards.
Okay.
Yes, so the nominal charges is 200 rupees.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah. Anything else? Anybody else want to know anything? Can get in touch with me. You can please note down my number. My number is 986764612. I repeat, my name is Meenal Kumar. My number is 986764612. Okay. Have a great day. Have a great time ahead. Thank you very
Send
much.
me the link.
कोहर हेल्थ सब्सक्राइब पे क्लिक कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए।